Is it share? Yes.
Not yet.
Not yet.
It's starting.
It's sharing.
Okay, fine.
Hey, a bucket of smoking water.
Who is? So, in the previous class, we had studied about right, baby.
Yes.
Okay. I hope you're doing. You're done your homework. Yes or no? You're done.
Yeah.
Show me your homework. Everyone, show me your homework. Okay. 583. Good.
Miss Nancy.
Yeah.
I couldn't do my homework because I had to do my school.
Why?
Because I have to go to school.
But you have to. You have 1 to 3 days for the completing your homework.
I'm just gonna finish.
That's not the right way. You have not only 1 day. You have too much days to complete your homework. Since you made
I just didn't get to
I
finish.
sent it to you.
This is all I wrote. Right.
now you're doing homework. Okay, now you don't do your homework. You can send after the lecture, after 1 or 2 hours. Okay.
Okay.
So today we are study about an alternative methods of subtraction. Everybody knows about the subtraction method, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
But I will teach you something different method. If you don't want to use a common subtraction, there is three more alternative methods of subtraction. Okay.
Okay.
So before know anything, we will study about a property of subtraction. Okay. Wait. Okay. So now tell me, is it clear, everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So the rule is that is not, I think, clear. So the property of subtraction is that we cannot change the order number. It means we cannot change order of the number in the subtraction because we cannot subtract a bigger number from the smaller number. Okay, that is the property of what?
Subtraction.
Yeah, subtraction. So that is the property of subtraction. We know that if we in the multiplication and the addition, we can change the order, but in the subtraction we can't change the order. Okay. For example, if you have only 2 pencil, okay, then you can't give 3 pencil. Yes, you know.
No.
Yeah. So that's why we can't change the order of subtraction. Okay. And the second property of subtraction is that when we subtract 0 from any number, the result of the number is itself. Okay. Now, for example, if you have 5 books, and I'm saying you have to subtract 0 from your books, then you can say there is no change. Yes or no?
Yes.
So there is no change in
Yes.
your. So the second rule is that when you subtract 0 from from a number, the result is the number itself. Okay, that is the second property of subtraction. Okay, and the third property is that when a number subtracted from the its different obtained is 0. It means you have for example, if you have 18 toffee, yes or no, and you are subtracting same number, then you got 0.
0.
Yes. Okay. It means when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference obtained is 0. Okay. Same number you subtract. The fourth one is that when we subtract one, a number, we get the previous number. We can say also we get the predecessor. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you subtract one, then you get predecessor. If you add one, then you got successor. Yes or no?
Yes. If you subtract 1, you would get 9,244. If you add one more, then you would get 9,246.
Yeah, very good. You tell me with the example. That's a good manner. Okay, fine. So these are the property of subtraction. Here is something for you. Can you solve the missing number of the subtraction? You can see here the question number 3 it says find the missing number. Okay, let's solve.
Find the missing numbers.
576. Can you solve this?
Yes.
Before anything, I will tell you one example. Then I will give you second example for you. You have to solve it. Okay. Let's solve question number first. Third question first. Okay. For example, listen to me. Here is 6. Okay. Listen to me, everyone.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
You have 6 number. Okay.
Okay.
And question says to us we have to subtract 7. Is it possible?
No.
No.
Because we have a smaller number for the subtraction, so we have to take what? We have to take carry. So we have to take carry.
1. Take 1.
We have to take carry 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Take carry 10. So we have now we have 16. Yes or no?
Yes.
16.
Okay, now we have 16. So we have to remove 6. Now tell me if you have 16 and you have to subtract 7. Now tell me what we get at the time.
19.
Yes, we get 9. No, we have 9, not 19. If you have 16, then how to get 19? Listen to me. If you have 16, then you are subtracting 7. Now you get 9. Okay. Now tell me here what we have.
3.
Yeah. Now here we have 3. So
3.
it means we can't. Here you can see. Here we get 8. You can see. You understand. If you have 3, we can get 8. So we have to take carry. So it becomes 13. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 If you have 13, so tell me how to get 8 from the 13. So we have to subtract from the 13. 13 minus 8.
13 minus 8.
What we get?
I know. 5.
Yes or no? Tell me.
5.
Yeah, you can say 5. Good. Listen to me, everyone. Give me answer one by one. Okay, now you can solve 13 from 30 subtract 5. Now you get 8. Yes or no? Now you can see.
Yes.
Now you can see here. Here is subtracted 2. Now we let's find how to get 9. How to get 9? So you know that
What?
if you take carry from there, what we get from what we get, how to get 9? I mean, how to get 9?
How do you get a noise?
1.
No, if you write 5.
Wait, I almost forgot to write it.
What
Wait,
write
teacher.
Yeah,
I forgot to write it.
Oh, why did you?
1. Okay, right. I'm writing here 1. So is it clear? Now
Yeah.
we have to, you know that we can't subtract 1 from 1. So we have to take carry again. We have to take carry 10. It means it become 11. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this one is cancelled. Now we have 11. We have to subtract from the 11 2. Now we get 9.
6.
Okay. So from
8
the
minus
8.
6 8 minus 2 equals 6.
No. We take carry from the 8. So that's why here is not 8.
5.
Here is present only 7.
5.
Okay. So yes. From the 7, if we subtract 2, now we get 5. So the answer is 5,989.
989.
5.
Okay.
5,989.
Is the answer. So can you solve the question number 2? Tell me answer. Tell me answer, everyone. 8 to 6. 8 to 6. Now you have to solve question number B. Okay. Show me answer. You have 20 seconds. Everyone have 20 seconds to solve.
Wait, how many?
That question is for you. For you have to solve it.
Eleven. Two. Here. Here.
Hello.
12. Let's go 2.
Ini gonna zero chada. Listen to what we need to do. 9 minus karchit. अभी जी हमारे लिए कर लोगे तो तैयार है.
Now is there any problem? 576. 576. You have any problem?
Yes.
Tell me
This
you have
one.
any problem. Which one?
I have a problem on here.
Tell me.
Sorry.
Listen to me. Your problem is here. I can see. Okay. What you have to subtract? Okay, your problem is here. Okay. Now I'm going to solve. Okay. Listen to me, everyone. If you not solve your question, I'm going to solve the question. Okay. Are you solved? Show me. Just put it down on the left side. Okay, show me. I can see. I can see. Now you can match your answer. Listen to me. You can match your answer. Okay, good. 8 to 6. Maybe you are correct. Let's match your answer. See here. Okay, your answer is wrong. Listen to me. Here is. Let's check. Okay, good. Listen to me, everyone. Everyone. If you have 1.
Yes.
Listen to me. If you have 1, can you solve the 4? It means you have only 1. Can you subtract 4? Is it possible? No. I'm saying if you have only 1 pencil, okay. So can you
11.
Yeah, that's why we have to take carry. So it becomes 11.
11
Yes.
minus 4 equals 7.
Yes. If you subtract from the 11, from 4, we get 7.
Yeah.
Okay, good. The second thing is that from which thing we have to subtract, then we get 0. If we subtract 9, yes or no?
Yes.
If we subtract 9, then we get 0. Okay?
Mm,
So now, you can see here, you have 3. You have to subtract what? And you get 5. So you know that we can subtract, we have to take carry.
Okay.
It become 13. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So tell me what we subtract from the 13, then we get 5. Tell me what we subtract. Now you can check from, if you subtract 5 from the 13, you get the number.
8.
Yes. If you subtract 5 from the 13, you get the number. So you get the 8. Now you can see here. If you subtract from the 13, 8, now you get the 5. Okay. Now tell me how to get 3. If we subtract 2, from which number we have to subtract 2 and you get 3. If you subtract 7, listen to me.
6.
No, listen to me. Before here is 6. Okay. If you give one carry, it means here is now present 5.
5.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Because we are giving to one carry.
Are you happy?
Yes. So if you give carry, then it becomes 5. Now if you subtract from the 5, you get what?
3.
Now. So that answer is correct. Now you can match. If your answer is this, then your answer is correct. Now match everyone. 573. Now you understand.
I understand.
Yes. Okay, good. Listen to me. If you before the here is not 9. Here is 0. Why? Because that gives 0, because that gives 9. Wait. Maybe it's confusing. It's confusing. Wait. Answer is 7. The There is a mistake. What? Is there any problem? Wait for a minute. We have question number 3. Subtract B now. Listen to me. I will clear you again. Now, firstly, we have to subtract. We have to write here.
Put 7.
Yes.
And there you put 1.
Yes, here is 1. Now we have to put in here 7. Okay. Is there any problem? Wait. Wait, I will clear you again. Now is it clear?
Yes.
Sorry. Okay, this question is solved. Here we are. Fine. So here we have 1 and 1. It becomes 7. So you know that here is some number. What is the number is here?
There
Here is
9.
no, I know here. Listen to me. We have to take carry. Listen to me. We have to take carry. That's why is now it is 9. If you take carry, then
It will be
it is
0.
yes, no. Because before, if you take carry, then here is 9. So you know that if you take carry, it means from there you have to take carry. Yes or no? So
Yes.
now here is 2. You know that we can't subtract from the 2, so we have to take carry from there. It becomes 12. Yes or no? From the 12,
Yes.
to subtract 5. Okay. If we subtract 5, what we get the number?
8.
Yes. Yes. No. Wait. You have to
13.
no. It's a 8. Now, if you subtract 8, no, it's not 8. If you subtract 7, yes or no? Now, you can see here, if you subtract
12 minus. 12 minus.
tell me what we have.
Kazirila. 12 minus 5 Kazirila.
7.
Yes.
7.
So you know that if you get 7, after then what we have to do? What we take? It means here is 6
6.
because we have to take carry. So from if you take carry from this, so here is become 5. Now if you subtract 2 from the 5, we get 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that answer is correct now.
I'm looking.
Now you understand? Is there any problem? I think there is problem. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Again, can I again repeat my words?
I know. Okay.
573, you have any doubt? 576,
576.
Yes,
you have any doubt?
Understand, yes, Allah.
I understand.
Okay, fine. If you understand. There is little bit difficult. You have to solve again and again. Then you can understand. Okay. If you subtract more than one, if you solve more than 1, 2, or 3 times, you have to practice this question. Then you can solve easily. Okay. Can I erase this?
Yes.
Yes.
Tell me, everyone. Okay. Good. Let's solve the next thing. Okay. So let's study about alternative method of subtraction. Okay. Okay. The second method. Let's talk about the method.
today.
You can see here is example to solve the question. Alternative method of the subtraction. First method is that we have to change in 100 and tens form. Wait, I will give you an example, then you can understand. Okay.
I can't
so
see it, teacher.
You can't see. Wait. Tell me, is it clear? Now is it clear?
Yeah.
I see it.
Okay, good. So listen to me. Here is subtract to change subtracted into the multiples of 10 and 100. Here is the some alternative method to subtraction for the subtraction. I mean, the second method is that subtraction by the counting up. Okay. Here is just I will give you the name of the subtraction, alternative subtraction method, and the third one is subtraction by breaking into a smaller number. Okay, wait. Okay, so that is the third method, subtraction by the breaking the smaller number. Let's take example of each alternative method. Okay, listen to me. You have wait.
I can't see it, teacher.
Wait. I will make visible.
I can't
Nice.
see where you wrote it.
Wait. I can't write anything. Now tell me. Now tell me. Is it clear? Now is it visible? Okay. 576.
Oh yes.
Now is it visible? Is it clear?
Oh, is it visible? I can't see it.
You can't see.
Yeah, I can see it.
It's invisible.
Okay, now is it visible? Okay, fine. So first of all, we have to break 97 and 48. Okay. Can you tell me 97 is near to which number?
97 is near 100.
Yes, very good. That is the. Listen to me what I'm saying. What I'm saying.
I can't see the 97, teacher.
97 is here. Now is it visible? Wait.
I can see you, Moss.
I can't see you.
Make a noise. Okay. Now is it visible?
Can you little up?
Now I'm talking about this question, ma'am. Is it clear?
No. Which number you caution?
Oh, I'm talking about the question number this. A. The question is this.
I can see nothing but the you Moss.
Wait, ma'am. Okay, so
I can see it, ma'am.
okay, fine. Now I'm going to zoom the question. Zoom. Now is it visible?
Pretty good. Khalid, don't you do that? So you need to make it so big.
I can see it, ma'am.
Why are you gonna make it a Zubik?
Choro nahi.
Listen to me now. Now is this visible? Now 576 is visible. Tell me yes or no. Listen to me. We have to break. Now tell me. Tell me 40 is near to which number? 50?
48.
Yes or no?
48.
Yes.
48 can't do.
I can't see 48.
I'm talking about this question. Now is it visible?
48 where? Where is the 48?
It's an invisible. I can't see.
You can't see it. Why? So tell me, everyone, is it everyone visible? My screen.
Clear. It's clear. I can see.
Clear.
Ma'am, you can take a back question and again you can join.
What did you say?
I'm saying take back and you can rejoin.
Okay.
Meeting. Okay, fine.
You said delete.
So listen to me. This is a different method to solve it. Okay. The method is, now tell me 48 near to what?
Oh,
48.
now see, now see.
Now we can see it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
What?
48 new 97 new the current 97 data.
Listen to me.
I knew that would work.
What?
I knew leaving and rejoin would work.
Now listen to me. Is it clear? I'm saying 48 near to the 50. We have to add, if you add 2. Listen to me. If you add 2, it become what?
50.
50. Okay, good. Then method is say, I'm talking about the alternative method of the subtraction. If you add 2, it become 50. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So same here. If you add here 2, so you have to again add here 2. That is the method. Listen to me what I'm saying. The method says to us, if you add 2, so you have to add in another number 2. What I'm saying. Now is it visible? What I'm saying?
Your screen's not moving.
It's okay. Now you will see.
We can see it.
Okay, fine, good. So we have, you know that you have 47. So 47 is near to the 50. So tell me how to become 50 if you add 2. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. If you add 2, you know that if we have 2, so we have to make is now you have 97. Here you also make to add. So tell me what is become? It become
99.
yes, it become
90.
99. Now you can see here is 48 plus 2. So what we have to subtract? If you have 48 plus 2, it becomes 50. Yes or no?
Yes.
So tell me what do you have? If you subtract from the 99, 50, it become what?
49.
49.
49.
So that is the alternative method of addition. Are you understanding
Yes.
what I'm saying? Okay, let's talk about the second question. Can you tell me 58 near to which number? 98 is 98 near to the 100. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what we have, now tell me what we have to add. It become 100.
2 more.
Yes. If you add 2 more. The method says to us, if you add here 2, so we have to add again in that also 2. Okay? 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 What I'm saying? The method is that if you add here 2, so you have to take here also 2. Okay? Now tell me, if you add 2 here in the 98, it becomes 100. Yes or no?
Yes.
Two more 80 and 100 check it out.
Okay. Now we have to subtract. Now you have 287. If you add 2, it becomes what?
289. 289.
289.
Okay, it becomes 289. So now we can subtract. If you subtract 289 from the 289, if you subtract 100, it becomes what?
189.
189.
Yes, it's become 189. Wait. It become 189. So can you solve this question?
Yeah.
Tell me what we have to add here.
You add
Firstly, what we
you add 3 more to become 40.
yes. Yes, 40 make 40, we have to add 3. Okay. You know that if you add 3 here, so you have to add here also 3. Okay. Okay.
Then you add 3 more to 247, and then it becomes 250.
I hear it.
So it becomes 250, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Then
Now it become what?
40.
40.
Yes. So now you can subtract.
If you subtract 250 from 40, then it will become 210.
Yes or no? It becomes 210.
Yes.
Are you understand this method?
Yeah.
So are you understand everyone?
Yes.
576.
Yes.
Are you understand?
Yes.
8 to 6. Are you understand?
Yes.
That is the alternative method of the subtraction. Okay.
Yeah.
We can also use this method for the subtraction. You can see here again. You can see here what I'm doing. If you add anything to become approximate method, approximate number, so you have to also add here. Okay. Okay. So can you solve the question number? Question number. You have to solve question number F.
Question number F.
Solve it.
F-
576.
Yes, Miss Nancy.
If you now you have to solve question number F. Can you solve this?
Where's the F?
This is that.
I can't see it.
Wait.
F no C, yes.
Now is it clear?
Only U, A, B, C.
Hey, I have an idea.
Now is it clear? I'm talking about this question.
See it.
You only see A, B, C.
I only see A, B, and C, but not
Because-
D, E, F.
So you can solve question number. Wait.
You can do for the C.
Okay.
Now F is visible for you.
What did you say?
I'm saying F is not visible for you. Yes or no?
No.
F. Now if you visual anything, you can solve those questions. if you wait.
Yeah.
Can I do Sila?
Can I do C?
Wait. I can see each and everything, but you can't see. Now, which question you can see?
Only A, B, and C, but not D, E, and F.
So you can solve B.
Thank.
We can't do. A, the B, C sound with the
But I see B.
We do.
I can see B.
Okay.
No. Wait, where's the F? There it is.
F is here.
There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is.
Now is it visible?
Yeah, now see, yes.
Now I can see it.
Okay, good. Tell me answer.
There.
Come to answer my turn.
I wrote it.
Yeah.
Read the dialogue. People can catch your characters.
Teacher, I'm done.
Yes, show me.
Catch सकते
I wrote it.
Is there any mistake?
Did you see it?
I know your answer is correct, but which question you solve? F. Is there any mistake? Yes, good. Good.
Is it good?
Okay, listen to me. 8 to 6 you're correct, and 5, 8, 3 you're also correct. And 5, 7, 6 show me your answer. There is any mistake.
What is it?
Oh, because you're note wrong, I think. 8. You're writing 8.
Yeah.
Now you can listen to me. You are doing something mistake. Listen to me what I'm doing. You can see here that is near to what?
Yeah.
Match your
You're to
576.
290.
Match your question. Okay. I'm going to solve 513.
Yeah.
Are you doing now? Question.
Yeah, I am.
Listen to me, everyone. If you're doing, if you done your work, so can you tell me which number is near to this? That is near to the 90, 290. Yes, no. So
290.
if you add 5, it become what?
290.
So same here you have to also here you have to add 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So it become what? It become what and it become what?
Become 1,568.
Okay, it become 290 and it become
Yeah. Guys?
8. You can see it become 1, 5, 6 and 8. Okay, and it becomes, because we are adding 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Here we also add 5. So it becomes 290. Now you can solve it. You can see here, if you subtract 8 from, if you subtract from the 8 0, it becomes 8. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Okay. After that, then you can see here, here is 6 and here is 9. We can solve. We can't solve. So we have to take carry from the 5. It becomes 16. From the 16, if you subtract 9, so what you get?
3.
You get
3.
no. What I say, for example, listen to me. If you have, I can't write properly. What you measure? I'm saying if you have 5, 1 5 and 6 8. Okay, and you have 2 9.
Where did she? I can't see it.
You can't see. Wait. Can you see? I'm solving the question. You can see here. If you subtract from the 8, it become 8. Yes or no? Because
Yes.
if you subtract 0, so there is no change. Now you have 6. So we can subtract 9. So we have to take carry. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
It becomes 16. From the 16, if you subtract 9, it become what? It
1.
becomes
1.
7. It becomes 7. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So, okay. Now, if you take carry from the 5, it becomes 5 plus 4. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
From the 4, if you subtract 2, we get 2. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, if you take carry from the 1, there is no, sorry, we are not taking carry, so there is no change. So we have 1. So if your answer is 1278, then you are correct. If your answer is 1278, then you are correct. Okay.
I'm writing it.
Listen to me. 513. You have to write not 0. You have to write 8 in the place of 0. 513.
Okay.
So now you can correct your answer. Your answer, if your answer is this, then you are correct. Okay, now you're correct. 513 you are correct. 583 you are correct. 573, 576.
576.
Yes.
Now you understand what I'm saying.
I can see it in my mom's phone.
He's he phone the laptop doesn't see. I use this phone. We see right now.
Okay, you can't see. No problem. Fine. There is any problem in sharing my screen.
Minus.
I can see, ma'am.
I don't know. I think 576 can't see to me.
Can you look here?
Okay, fine.
This one what
Yes, class. Tell me that matter is understandable. I'm saying now you understand what is the method.
Yes.
Yeah.
In the next class, I will tell you the different method. There is the first method. I will tell you next different method about the subtraction. That is also method of subtraction. We can also solve this method, and we can solve also through the subtraction by breaking the smaller number. That is also the method of subtraction. 576. Can you listen to me?
Yes.
I'm saying In the next class, I will teach you second method of the subtraction. The method name is subtraction by breaking the smaller number. That is the method.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Can Malay?
This class is over.
Okay,
Can you
bye.
please put homework alone?
Wait.
Thank
Hey
you.
guys, before you leave, I have something to tell
Yeah.
to the teacher. Nacy,
Yeah.
can you send that homework to us?
Yes. I can't listen. Can you say
I
again?
said, can you send that to our homework?
Yes, of course.
She said,
Nacy.
thank you.
Bye bye. Take
Thank
care.
you. Bye.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Welcome. Bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Can you send the homework right now?
Sorry, I can't listen. Wait. What you say, Tay?
Can you send the homework right now?
Yes, of course. I can send your homework right now. Okay.
Okay.
Within 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
See you on Friday.
Okay, we will see on Friday.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Take care. This is difficult for me.